In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in your GoDaddy account. If you want your prices, products, or billing information to display in a different currency, GoDaddy gives you a simple way to update that preference right from your account settings. This can be especially helpful if you've moved to a different country, prefer to shop in your local currency, or just want a clearer view of your account charges. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're on the main account area where your profile and product options are visible. This is where you'll be able to access the setting you need. Next, click on your profile. This is usually the quickest way to reach your personal account options and settings. After opening the profile section, click on My Products. That will take you to the area where GoDaddy shows the services and products connected to your account. From there, look for Account Settings and click on it. This section contains the preferences that control how your account works, including billing-related options such as your default currency. Once you're in Account Settings, scroll down carefully until you find the Default Currency option. This is the setting that determines which currency is used as your primary one in the account. When you see it, simply click on it to open the available choices. You should now see a list of currencies that GoDaddy allows you to select from. Choose the currency you prefer and then set it as your primary currency. This tells GoDaddy that this is the main currency you want associated with your account moving forward. As a quick tip, before confirming your choice, make sure you select the correct currency for your region or payment preference. Using the right default currency can make pricing easier to understand and help keep your account experience more consistent. And that's it. Once your preferred currency is selected as primary, your GoDaddy account will use that setting going forward wherever applicable. If you follow those steps carefully, changing your currency in GoDaddy only takes a minute or two. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your account settings quickly and easily.